Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. You know, inaction is one of the worst things that you can allow to happen to yourself. Inaction or not taking action leads to missed opportunities. And so I want to encourage you, look, don't stay in analysis paralysis. You know, some people think and think and think and think. They overanalyze things and they never do anything. They get stuck, okay? And don't, passively wait for change, but actively make change happen. Man, if you want something to happen, I've learned that you've got to make something happen, okay? Seize the reins and embark on the journey towards your dream life. And I like to tell people this, look, if you don't have a dream, you've got to get a dream. If you can't get a dream, get around some dreamers who will help you to dream, okay? Okay, look, join my Make Money Online personal growth and development newsletter, all right? Learn to grow yourself and your bank account. I'm introducing a powerful, low-cost, high-profit potential opportunity, okay? And everything is there to help you to become a success online, all right? Anything you need, guess what? It's already in place. All you've got to do is take action, all right? So I'm going to leave a link so that you can get signed up and check this out. Guess what? It costs nothing to check things out. Plus, you can sign up for the business opportunity at, you could sign up for the free, take the tour, kick around, whatever you need to do to check it out and see if this is something for you. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.